The S24 was the talk of the town when it came, or when it was released. And what made it the talk of the town was the whole hype around AI. So let's talk about some of the AI features that are built into the S24 range, and more specifically the S24 Ultra. So one of the first features is something we call circle to search. So how circle to search it works is you can take a picture of an item, right? Like how I have here. And then I could utilize that picture and press and hold the home button and circle the object that I would like to search for. And what it's done, it's gone ahead and searched the internet for, or searched Google for this product. And I can learn more about it, I can purchase this device. And this is an awesome thing when, I mean, we're all human. If we see a shoe that we like, we don't really want to ask the person wearing it, hey, where you got your shoes from? Rather take a photo, search it. And apart from actually just using photos, you could do this with the net. I could search a pair of shoes, right? I have found an image on the internet of a random pair of shoes. Press and hold the home button, we bring up circle to search, circle the shoe, right? Or if we want to be more difficult about it, here's someone wearing the shoe. Do the same thing again, press and hold, circle, it's found the shoes. I can click it, I can see who's selling it, I can see who has the cheapest price, I can purchase the shoe. And that's how circle to search works. The second AI feature that we have to talk about is the language translate, or the live translate is currently limited in the number of language models that are available, but it basically is a live translation between text, either being a text message over WhatsApp, SMS, whatever, or an actual phone call like how it was demonstrated at the S24 launch. The third AI feature that we get to talk about is Note Assist or Chat Assist. So Note Assist works with Samsung Notes, and what it is, if we open up Notes, right, we'll see there's a little icon at the bottom of the Notes, which is almost like stars. That is our AI button. And there's 4 options that we can use with the AI button. Auto formatting, so formatting the text off the notes. Summarize, so it'll take all the notes, summarize it using AI. Correct spelling, so it'll go through all of your notes, correct the spelling and all of those things. So when you're taking notes, you don't have time to actually spell things correctly. And then translate, so you can transcribe your notes from English to whatever language you want. The fourth and final AI feature that I want to talk about is generative edit. So generative edit allows us to edit images within the S24 and basically allows us to change how an image looks. Okay, so here we have a photo. We click the 3 dots. There we go. And here we go. Object eraser. So we want to erase all of these objects that are in this image. And we can do that. Erase. Actually should find a good example and do that. But guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did. If you want to know anything else about the S24 Ultra, if you want to see us put this up against something like the ZVE10, leave a comment down in the comment section below. And as always guys, my name is Prashant and I'll catch you in the next video.